My name is Kat James, and I'm the founder of 400 Feet, which is a drone and data consultancy based in Nairobi, Kenya. And I could not recommend working with NO and Global Air U enough. Starting and running a business is just a really intense emotional experience. It's definitely a roller coaster. And I think the biggest benefit that I've had of working with NO is just having somebody to, spitball ideas with, to talk things out. When I'm freaking out about stuff, NO is just this really calm, grounding force, which I really appreciate. And he makes it all so accessible. So whether you're just a beginner or farther along on your journey, he'll meet you where you are, which I really appreciate.